Hey crypto enthusiasts! If you're looking to transfer your Dogecoin from Phantom Wallet to Tangem Wallet in 2025, you've come to the right spot. This quick guide will walk you through the process step by step, helping you keep your digital assets secure and easy to manage. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, let's dive in. First, make sure both your Phantom and Tangem wallets are updated to the latest versions. This is crucial for smooth transactions and to avoid any compatibility issues in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet on your device or browser extension and log in securely. Step 2. Locate your Dogecoin balance in the Assets section. If it's not showing, double-check that Dogecoin is supported and your wallet is connected to the right network. Step 3. Switch to your Tangem Wallet app. Go to the Receive or Deposit section and copy the Dogecoin address. Remember, always verify the address to prevent errors. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 4. Back in Phantom, select the Send option for Dogecoin. Paste the Tangem address into the recipient field. Step 5. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to transfer. Keep an eye on the transaction fees, which might have changed in 2025 due to network updates. Aim to choose the most cost-effective option. Step 6. Review all details carefully, including the address, amount, and fees. Once you're confident, hit the Confirm button to broadcast the transaction. Step 7. Wait for the transaction to process. You can track its status using a blockchain explorer like dogechain.info to ensure everything goes through smoothly. Finally, open your Tangem wallet to confirm the Dogecoin has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a few minutes and check for any network delays. And there you have it. Your Dogecoin is now safely in your Tangem wallet. Always prioritize security in crypto, like using hardware wallets for long-term storage. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.